How to split fare with someone on Lyft. Want to share the cost of the Lyft ride? Here's how to split the fare easily. After requesting your ride, tap the payment method section on the right request screen. Select split fare or share fare. Enter the phone number or Lyft username of the person you want to split with. Then send the request. They will get a notification to accept their share. Once accepted, the fare is divided automatically and charged separately. If the other person does not accept, you will pay the full amount. Make sure your friend has the latest Lyft app version to avoid split fare issues. Have you used split fare before? Let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe for more Lyft tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.